Now it's time for some real poetry. Let's call him in his own style. Moving towards to the end of the event, let's have some poetic kick. It's time to call Mr. Swanand Kirkire. Welcome, sir, to mesmerize us with your music. Welcome, sir. Over to you, JD.
Harsha, thank you so much. Swanand, welcome again. Thank you for joining us on the occasion of World Environment Day. We know you are a poet at heart, and what better than we asking you to put a capstone at this fantastic day that we've had. We had some amazing thoughts from industry leaders, and we had a great session by Rajesh sir and Shabnam and Santosh talking about the artist's view. Uh, we would like you to talk about your inspiration and your stories of developing poetry and songs, tapping into environment. Some opening
Environment,
thoughts, and then we'll also
yeah.
request you to share some poetry and songs as well. Sorry, go ahead, Swan.
No problem. Basically, yeah, means everybody knows that this is the most urgent issue that the human race is facing. Our environment, our needs a lot of restoration, lot of going back to the roots, kind of things. The simple thing I'll tell you, like when I was growing up, for me, how it makes sense. Apart from all those things which people must be speaking, and they must be talking about how it's going to affect our lives and such, but simple things like poetry. If I'm a poet, and if uh, modern poetry is losing the environment images. If you listen to the new songs in cinema, you won't see people talking about lakes and rivers and पंछी कछुए नदियाँ, इन सब बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. People are talking about or more urban images. Sorry, I don't want to, but that's how things are changing. Our kids don't know what it is to be like bringing in metaphors from environment, from from trees. Because there are no trees, how will they think about trees? There are no bees, how will they think about bees? There are no. So I think that is a huge cultural loss which we are seeing right now. uh, Apart from that, all this, this is one thing. I just spoke about the poetry factor of it, but it is very important right now, because if the poetry of life also has to go on, we must restore what we have. One of my friend Piyush Mishra had written a great line in one of his songs, is कि जैसी बची है वैसी की वैसी कम से कम अब बचा लो ये दुनिया, इसको अब और मत खराब होने दो.
Absolutely true. I think what you said is right. Poetry mein, there was a time when there was a lot of metaphors and the songs that we listen in Bollywood.
Yeah,
There used to be comparisons of life with how a river flows, or
yeah.
what a storm means for you, or what is it to be in a forest. I mean, it used to spark the imagination and the thought, and you could actually visualize nature while listening to poetry.
Now it's
Uh,
all boiled down to चार बोतल वोद का काम मेरा रोज का. Sorry.
well, well, it's Saturday, and I hope everyone has their plans to enjoy the evening. But
No, no,
Swanand,
no,
you
no
were
offense. No,
talking
I'm.
about
Yeah,
a poetry you had composed,
yeah.
which touches upon nature. I know you had written it for some purpose, but
But
maybe that was
yeah,
not
yeah,
done.
it is coming to
Can
use
you
now.
share it with us?
I'll definitely read that poem. It's about restoration, and the most important theme. बहती हो जहां शाम और शहर, बहती हो जहां शाम और शहर मस्त हवाएं, पंछी भी आए जाए नए गीत सुनाए. बहती हो जहां शाम शहर मस्त हवाएं, पंछी भी आए जाए नए गीत सुनाए. पेड़ों की शाखें झूम कर झूला सा झुलाए, नदिया की साफ लहर दिल की प्यास बुझाए. पेड़ों की शाखें झूम कर झूला सा झुलाए, नदिया की साफ लहर दिल की प्यास बुझाए. आओ चलो यादों की दुनिया में हम जाए, आओ चलो ख्वाबों का एक जहां बनाए. बच्चों के लिए चलो हम ये दुनिया बचाए, बच्चों के लिए चलो हम ये दुनिया बचाए. जहां पेड़ों से छन के ये धूप रंगोली बिखेरे, जहां पेड़ों से छन के ये धूप रंगोली बिखेरे, चंदा आए सुबह संग लुक्का छुपी खेले. जहां पेड़ों से छन के ये धूप रंगोली बिखेरे, चंदा आए सुबह संग लुक्का छिपी खेले, मोती खिले रहे हो कहीं सागरों में गहरे, मोती खिले रहे हो कहीं सागरों में गहरे, मौसमों पे भी ना हो अब मौसमों पे भी ना हो अभी किसी के पहरे, जानवर भी लौट के जंगलों में आए, हम जिए और सभी को जीना सिखाए, आओ चलो यादों की दुनिया में हम जाए, आओ चलो ख्वाबों का एक जहां बचा बनाए, बच्चों के लिए चलो हम ये दुनिया बचाएं, बच्चों के लिए चलो हम ये दुनिया बचाएं. So something like that it
क्या
goes.
खूब, क्या खूब. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. शानन जी, तो इसी बात पे थोड़ा बात और आगे बढ़ाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
पर्सनली आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ योर सॉन्ग. किसी रेल सी तो निकलती है, बट वो थोड़ा इस माहौल में थोड़ा ऑफ हो जाएगा.
नहीं, but
But
I'll sing another song
is
of
there
mine.
some favorite of yours?
No, that it'll go
हाँ.
restoration के लिए है, वो दूसरे पर्पस के लिए लिखा था, लेकिन उसमें जो भी इमेजेस है वो सारी की सारी एनवायरनमेंट से ही आती है, तो I'll just sing that song. The song is called चिरैया. ये सत्यमेव जयते के लिए मैंने गाया था, लिखा था. ओरी चिरैया, ओरी चिरैया, नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर बाजा रे, अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुन के, अंगना में फिर आजा रे, हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहां भर के जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी, ये जमीन तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी, किसके दम पे सजेगा मेरा अंगना, ओरी चिरैया मेरी चिरैया, अंगना में फिर आजा रे, ओरी चिरैया. Thank you.
Fantastic, fantastic. I mean, this is truly touching the heart, and I'm sure some people would have also experienced a hair-raising moment while listening to that. One thought occurs to me after listening to the song, and I remember very vividly that we were at NCPA in October 2019,
Yeah.
and you had shared the same song with us. Thank you so much. This lockdown has actually brought the Chiraiya back.
Yes.
Last year, when we were in a longish lockdown for about 3-4 months, I saw how nature actually took back what was it. I personally, in the complex that I live in, I saw 6 new species of birds come in, and the sparrow was definitely missing, and she came back.
Absolutely.
What a apt song.
I had written 4 lines when this lockdown happened, and I think it will resonate with you, the kind of thing. मैं तो वो 4 लाइंस कुछ ऐसी है कि मैं हूं कैद खिड़की में, वो डालियां फुदक रहे, मैं हूं कैद खिड़की में, वो डालियां फुदक रहे, चहक रहे, किलक रहे, देखो कितना हंस रहे, आजाद आसमां में उड़ उड़ के नहीं थक रहे, चंद रोज यूं ही रहो कर रहे गुजारिश है, सहज कहा था किसी ने, हमको बंद रखना ये पंछियों की साजिश है, हमको बंद रखना ये पंछियों की साजिश है. So
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
That's it. That's the real emotion, you know, like all the species. If you stay in house, if you don't do extra, dear human being, the nature will restore itself. You just don't have to go out and destroy it. You stop destroying it, it will restore.
Absolutely.
You don't have to do anything. You don't plant one tree. don't go and plant one tree. Just don't cut any tree. That's all. The tree knows how to grow itself.
Restoration comes by itself.
Yeah.
ये पंछियों की साजिश एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी थियरी पे भी जुड़ जाती है, जहां पे कहते हैं कि this all started from bat, which is also a type of a bird. But maybe that's a discussion for some other day.
No, but that's what I wrote about the poetry. It's like the positive spin on that panchiyon ki sajish. You are saying panchiyon ki sajish hai, but this is not that panchiyon ki sajish. This is this panchiyon ki sajish. Where it wants to restore itself, the nature wants to restore itself. It's looking for that opportunity to restore itself. So yeah,
बहुत खूब. I think what a fantastic interaction. Thank you so much. Is there a parting poetry or a couplet that you would like to leave us with? So maybe thought-provoking, something that comes to your mind.
I've given all the thought-provoking stuff to you. I'll just sing 2 more lines of my song, and will this thing. The song you like. So I'll sing 2 lines of that. But it's just imagine it's an electric train. It's not a diesel train or a steam engine train. So less pollution. तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ. तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ. तो कभी रत्ती भर न सुनती है मैं तेरा नाम, बुदबुदाता हूँ किसी लंबे सफर की रातों में. तुझे अलाव सा जलाता हूँ. तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है, मैं किसी पुल सा थरथराता हूँ, थरथराता हूँ, थरथराता हूँ. Thank you.
Fantastic. Swanandji, thank you so much for joining us. And ladies and gentlemen, on that high, I think we should thank you all, handing it back to Harsha. Swanandji, once again, thank you for joining us. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Swanand sir. Thank you, JD. And with this, we are moving towards the end. And I must say one thing, this may be the end of the event, but this is the beginning of the pledge that all of us should take. All of us should make a promise with ourselves to protect the environment, to restore the ecosystem. And on this note, I would like to call off this event with a poetic touch. Gracing event with your presence. We are fortunate enough to be in touch, respecting your most valuable time. We would like to thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for taking out your most valuable time and be here with us. We wish you a great success, well-being, keep smiling, keep growing. Take care everyone.